Hola chicas, welcome to another video. I'm Christian and this is Christian Spain. So today I actually want to talk about all the bad things about Spain, or more about Malaga or the Costa del Sol. So the bad things about living here, or at least what have got much worse in the last few years or so. There's quite a few things honestly, and it keeps getting worse and worse, you can say. So prices are raising a lot, and especially like for apartments. Apartment prices have been raising quite a lot now. This the same apartment, even like the smallest one you can get will be 200 euros more a month instead of 500 euros. You will need 700 euros a month now to get the cheapest possible apartment. Something like what I live in. And that is quite a lot more than it was just like 8 years ago. And the salary has been raising too, so that's a good thing. So Spain keep raising the salary every year, every second year. Has been every year last few years, so it's raising a lot too, and it can almost keep up. But in these cities especially, other prices have also been raising. Supermarket prices have also been raising specifically, but has been all over the country. Something more specific in these areas are like more like tourist traps, like restaurants, the bars here. They are very expensive. Like even in Madrid, the capital, even some places in Barcelona, you may even find cheaper places than here. So it's like incredible how high priced they are in these cities. Like you can go to Malaga city and find cheaper places than you do in Fuengirola, Benamana, Torremolinos. Like they will be extremely overpriced, and it will be every single dang place you find that are way overpriced. So when you put all that together, cost of living here is actually quite high in the Costa del Sol, especially on the west side. So that's the key to it. So on the east side, you will actually have maybe not the near, but everything in between. Like there's not Torre de Mar, Torres de Mar, Conde Victoria, Cala de Moral, and there's a lot of other cities there that you may not know too well, but you can look at Google Maps, and there will be a lot of other smaller cities that will still be quite interesting and quite nice to live in, but way cheaper than over here. However, the price rise had also kind of hit them, so they are also bit more expensive than if you go to like rural Spain or just like normal Spain. Like even in big cities like Sevilla and Granada and Cádiz and Madrid, you will find cheaper everything than you do in anywhere on Costa del Sol. So it has become quite touristy and quite full of expats, but it's definitely worse in these most recognizable cities like Benamana, Torremolinos, Fuengirola, and the center to mid coast of Malaga city. Apart from like the prices, cost of living here, that doesn't really fit too well with the salary and can make it a bit harder to make a living here than other places, maybe even. It's also like a bit of annoyance that there's so many tourists here when you actually live here and you live your everyday life here. Like it's just the first day today, and now it seems quite quiet, but I actually waited to midnight to record this video because people have been so noisy to speak today. So a normal weekday night, people will be noisy, and in about 1 hour, when people get really drunk and go home again, they will be noisy again. So I even have to be fast to record this video before it becomes noisy in the speed again, even on a normal weekday night. So it's always noisy here, always busy, and it's not just about when you're home in your apartment. That's actually not too bad. I kind of like noisy environments, to be honest. It's more like when you're out in the street, like people are less nice, they're more rude, aggressive, violent than in more Spanish cities, and you can get a local life on a bar. There will be drunk ass tourists all over the place. There will barely be local bars. They will be owned by British people that have moved here, only serving British tourists that come here every year, and it's just not the same vibe, and it's not as nice and cozy than when you are out in a local neighborhood in Malaga or in Sevilla, and it's like just people having a good time, playing guitar, singing, and enjoying to talk to each other, like they always do every day, all week long, and the weekends too. So it's very different vibes, and can be pricey too. So there's both some like more practical, economical aspect, but also about your feeling, how like your senses, how you take it in, like what you feel about living here. That can be a bit of a problem when you move here. So you should think about these things. But again, it is like some of the easiest place to move to is Spain, so it's a good starting point. But think about that there are other places in Spain too, and you can move to them later. Like, don't think about this as Spain. It's not like too much Spain, so don't hate Spain because you maybe will hate these kind of cities. But take into account that you may need to move again later on when you have settled into the system and you want to find your more quiet local place to settle down for real. So that's pretty much my take on what happened here in Costa del Sol lately, and what you should take into account before you move here, but also even more important after you move here. Because to still move to Spain, Spain's a nice place, I still live here and I will still be living here for the rest of my life. So it's more about, see that there are some bad sides to it too when you move here, especially in this economy nowadays. I mean, it's so popular. When so many other people move here, there will be people that are not really into, like, they don't really fit in your taste per se, you can say. So apart from that, just go and do it. Move here, do something about it, like try it out, get a job, get a knee, get everything in order, settle down, enjoy your time here as long as it lasts, and don't think too much about it until you need to, and then think about it, but also like don't stress about your investigation. Like, look at other cities, take vacation. It's easy to go on vacation when you live here in Malaga. Travel around the whole Andalusia and find your spot later. And then think logical about what to do with your life further on. If you want me to talk more about that, I will go deeper dive into other things in other videos. So remember to like this video and subscribe, and then I guess see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.